Good morning and thank you for joining me for another Bitcoin technical analysis video. Today we're going to review the importance of the nested 1, 2, 3 pattern. We're going to take a look at the Bollinger Bands to see if our bullish stance still is in place. And we're going to take a look at how we're rebalancing our crypto portfolio significantly the last while. Let's start off with the 1, 2, 3 pattern. The 1, 2, 3 pattern is really old. I learned this in 1995. The guy who taught me learned it in the 1970s from a guy who learned it and practiced it in the 1940s. It's as old as charting is. And recently we have a bigger 1, 2, 3 pattern setting up where at the number 3 point we have a smaller 1, 2, 3 pattern breaking out. So the more that these 1, 2, 3 patterns nest together, the more powerful they become. And as you know, if you've subscribed to this channel and you're getting updates, what I follow is what's going on with the indicators as the 1, 2, 3 patterns are setting themselves up. So we've been watching for a pullback in this market for quite some time, and then we're watching for, within that pullback, the 1, 2, 3 pattern that's going to give us our add-on pattern. And we've been looking for the MACD indicator on the 12-hour here to come and cross as prices are breaking out. And we really need these histograms to continue shrinking over the next couple 12-hour periods if we're going to get that breakout that I'm looking for. And of course, the reason I'm really looking for this breakout is because of what we saw in the Bollinger Bands a few days ago. We can see that on the weekly time frame, prices bounced off the 20-period moving average. And on the daily time frame and lower is where the important signal came out for me. The signal I'm studying is when the prices go below the second band and then rebound back inside. When we go into the 12-hour period, we can see that this was also a Bollinger Band mean reversion signal right here. The important thing is when we get into the 4-hour time frame, we're seeing that this was a number 1 point in the downtrend from this recent price range. Prices came up and they came down here and they did another Bollinger Band mean reversion. And that's turning out to be the number 3 point of a 1, 2, 3 pattern within these last few days, within about a week of time. And so as we're set up with this potential 1, 2, 3 pattern and the Bollinger Band mean reversions as our turnaround points, it gets to be more fun to watch it from day to day to see how this actually plays out. And I want to end with some potential early warnings or some potential early alerts for profit. There's a whole bunch of those that are really going on a fantastic tear. And we can see that evidenced by the fact that Bitcoin dominance is still dropping as prices are moving along right now. That means that altcoins are increasing in their market value faster than Bitcoin is when Bitcoin dominance is dropping. The important thing that our crypto rebalancing has been showing us the last little while, in the past 24 hours, we've had 8 more markets go past the 12-hour EMA exit. As I go to the data here at the end, and we can see that the 12-hour EMA exits, we've had 19, 30 of them, almost 40, a little over 50, some 60 coins have gone past the 12-hour EMA exit. We went from 147 coins in hold status down to 78 coins. And even though Bitcoin dominance is dropping, what that means is that the altcoins are really dividing themselves right now into a whole bunch of coins that are not doing much of anything, and then a smaller list of coins that are really outperforming. So the way we've been balancing our crypto portfolio has really turned out to work out fantastically to focus us on the coins that are doing the very best right now. If you want to rebalance your crypto portfolio the simple and objective way, this color-coded spreadsheet with the bull market watch and the crypto SmartWatch control panel does everything for you. Or you could go for the pro alerts where you can see the very same thing, but now it's done specifically for you. Here's everything above 121% gains right now in our spreadsheet. Here's everything above 51% gains in our spreadsheet. And those are much the same coins as those that are in hold stance right now on the bull market watch, except that we have the specific entries and exits and stop loss levels separately assigned for every coin. Thanks again for joining me on this Bitcoin trading TA video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more videos. And if you want to keep talking about these prices after they've changed when this video is done, come and join us on our Discord community. And be sure to verify your profile, and then you can come and join us in the general chat. Thanks again. Trade safe and keep your losses small.